Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. And today I'm going to show you how to draw another character from the new Disney Junior show, Superkitties. I'm going to show you how to draw Mr. Puppypaws. So Mr. Puppypaws is a really cute bad guy. So let's see, let's get started. I'm going to start with the eye. I'm going to do a circle. Alright, and now I'm going to do a line right here. It's not a straight line, it's a little itty bitty bit curved. And then come on up with another little curve. Do a circle here. And then a circle inside this shape. And then I can color this part in all dark. Alright, next let's do like a little triangular shaped eyelash. And then come on up, and the line became really thin and got right close to the eye. And we can color this part in all dark. So it's just like a really heavy top lash here. Now I'm going to do like a little triangle shaped nose, but it's like a little upside down triangle. Like that. I'm going to color that in all dark. And then I'm going to do a little curve here. And then come on in under the nose. I'm going to come up. And then do a little curve like that. And I'm going to do a little line right here so it's like a cute little smile. And now let's do the other eye. So big circle. And I'm going to do that thick lash line in our little triangular pointy eyelash. And color that in all dark. Okay, and now let's see. A little line here. Come on over. And circle here. And then the inside circle, I'm going to color that in all dark. Alright, so I'm going to do a little bit of a line right here, and then I'm going to do a little line right here underneath the mouth, like a little bit of a chin. And now let's do the shape of the head. So I gave a lot of space from the eye to the top of the head. And then I'm going to kind of just do these little strokes of fur coming on down here by the side of the face and under. So far so cute. Alright, so now let's do the ears. They're really like floppy ears. Just like great big pieces of hair. Okay, and now on the other side we're going to do the same thing. Great big fluffy pieces of hair for ears. Alright, and right here I'm going to come on down with some little furry bits, and then go along this way too, and over here do the same thing, and then come along this way, and we can do a few little like whiskers. And now we can get started on the outfit. So come on down and slant downward again, and we can slant upward and then down, and then we're slanting upward here on the side, and then we're doing a line right here. So now we're going to do a kind of like a backwards L shape. And now another one. And then we're starting from this point and coming on down and going right here. And do a few more little bits of fur. And now we're going to bring down a line here and bring it this way. Now let's do a little curvy line here. We're going to have a little bit of a chest here. Have a line right here. It's going to be the sleeve, the front sleeve here. Bring up a little shoulder. And then we can do a little line that's curving. And right here, we can bring down a little line and end it right here and bring this up. Now right here, we can bring down a little front paw, a little front leg, and then we can do like 1, 2, 3 little toes and bring up this line. Right here, we can bring down a line and do 1, 2, 3 little puppy toes and bring this line up. So we're not quite done yet. Now we gotta do the little bit of a body here. So bring down this line. See, we curved and do a little line here, bringing it closer to this one. And we can do a little 1, 2, 3 little toes, and then do a little line right here. And then we can see another little paw here behind. So we got 1, 2, 3 little toes, bring that up. And we're not quite done. We still have a little tail. So we can come on up and do some little wisps of fur here. And then bring it on back. So there we go. We've got our drawing done. And now I'm going to do some coloring. All right, so we are finished our picture. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here for our next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, goodbye.